What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my Beauty Baby channel. Hope you guys are having a good day or good night. So right now, I have a drink. She whipped me up a peach daiquiri, and then so I don't know what else we're gonna do today. I think we're gonna go to Sugar Factory, and that's it. But I'm gonna give you guys a view of everything. So y'all, we are in the car right now. So I brought my drink. She made me a peach daiquiri, and we're about to go to Disney Springs, I think. And then later on, we're gonna go to the Sugar Factory. My birthday is tomorrow, so Libra gang, you already know. And then we're going to then I'll just vlog from there. But I'm going to make a separate vlog about the hotel and stuff another day. So we're at Gideon's, but this is not a Gideon's at Disney Springs. I didn't even know they had two Gideon's, but it's for cookies. So we're gonna go ahead and go in. Hey guys, we're about to find Gideon's. The biscuit area, the drink area.
Here to pick up an order.
Excellent. I got 2 chocolate chip, 2 of the pistachio toffee, 1 cookies and cream, and 1 of the candy walnut. Amazing. All of the good flavors.
Okay guys, so this is my OOTD of the day. So I have this blue little crop top with these orange pants. And then I also have my shoes on. So this is just a little OOTD of the day.
Get down.
Hold on.
Pistachio, walnuts, and chocolate chip.
No, I got the chocolate chip one.
This is the pistachio again.
That must have you.
So right now we are at Icon Park. We're about to go eat at Sugar Factory. I'm going to record the inside. I probably won't record a lot because I want to enjoy some time with my family, but I will record. I feel like something on my lip, but I will record. Y'all check out my nails. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead. You guys know, so today is September 28th. So what I'm going to do, because my birthday is actually September 29th. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to post this video today, and then tomorrow we're going to Halloween Horror Nights and doing some other stuff for my birthday. So it's going to be a 2-part video, or I might just make it into like one whole video. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do. So right now we're walking to Sugar Factory. I'm going to record everything. And hey guys, so this is the place we're about to go into, Sugar Factory. So let's go ahead and go inside. This is like the menu for like the songs. So when they sing happy birthday to you, they have a list of songs that you can So these are the list of songs I can choose from. So yeah.
That's like whole air.
Yeah.
Oh.
Come with a duck. But they
Pretty patties, available in 6 designer colors.
That was good, birthday girl. Shirt kept coming up. You want me to stop? You want me to stop now?
The Sugar Factory was really good. The atmosphere was really good. The waiter, he really did a great job. I have an allergy, so I can't eat certain things, but he was very, very nice about it. As you guys can see from the previous video, yeah, that was me. But yeah, so I'm not done yet recording, guys. I'm gonna do a couple more things and then yeah, I end the video. So I actually did not end the video yesterday, and I thought I did, but I ended up not ending the video. But today is my birthday, so happy birthday to me, yay. So today is Halloween Horror Nights Day. So make sure you guys go ahead and click on the next video after this, because that is the, if you want to see me go into like the haunted houses and all that stuff, then click on the next video. I just woke up, but so I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and then I'm going to record for today, or for today and tonight. And so thank you guys for watching, y'all. I was lit in that last video, like, oh my god, like that restaurant was off the chain. I really liked the restaurant. It was really accommodating and everything like that. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my other video. Bye guys.